Hi all, so this is me Sushmita and I'm here at Yuksum for my very first trek experience, the Gochela trek. So this place Yuksum is situated in the western part of Sikkim, India, and I'm really excited to show you the experience and the journey ahead. I'm excited because this is my very first trek and it's said to be one of the most challenging treks of the Himalayas. Hi. Hi everyone. This is Sushmita and yeah, she's running early in the morning. She has a very nice habit actually. Wow. She's so nice. Okay. Hi, this is Sushmita and right now I am in Yuksum. So this is probably day 2 of our Yuksum trip and in day 1 we just arrived and just strolled the market, bought whatever we needed, and then yeah, it was a nice day yesterday as well, and I hope it's gonna be a super interesting day today. I'm really hoping for a very fruitful day and also maybe hectic as well, I don't know, but since it's just the beginning, I'm hoping the day 1 and day 2 won't be that hard as briefed by our instructor. But yeah, the place is like amazing and I feel so blessed to be here. Look at that place. This is just wow. Look at the houses, the prayer flags, and everything feels like literally heaven. Not even kidding. Everything feels like heaven, literally. And since I've manifested this a lot, I'm really grateful and manifestations do come true. That's what I want to say. And yeah, I'm really excited and looking forward. And I call this series giving myself an opportunity, because why not, right? It's just one life, so I'm just giving myself an opportunity to explore my love for travel, nature, and yeah, explore all the possible places that I can. And the places are just here to die for, like literally. This is the cab we arrived yesterday. Good morning. The reason why I am doing this video or recording myself is because my brother gifted me a GoPro, so I just thought, why not, right? So this place Yuksum is in the western part of Sikkim, India. Facts about Yuksum is like, this is the first capital of the kingdom of Sikkim, and then the Yuksum literally means the meeting place of 3 lamas. And then it's believed that the 3 monks from Tibet, they originally arrived this place and just to form monarchy, and then they kind of appointed Funsuk Namgyal as the first Chogyal, or the king of the kingdom of Sikkim. And since it is the first capital of Sikkim, it holds a lot of historical and cultural importance, not just the scenic beauty that we can witness, but yeah, the historical significance is immense. And after that, the kingdom of the capital was shifted to a place called Raptense. Historical, cultural and spiritual significance as well, especially for Buddhist and Tibetan Buddhism is what people usually follow here. And I feel so blessed to be here, being a Buddhist myself. It feels so good to be here. And I've manifested this a lot, so I'm so happy to be here. And literally I can, maybe everybody can see with my smile how happy I am to be here. So yeah, I hope I enjoy the rest of the days as much as I am doing today, because the days are gonna be tough and everybody in the group are like very experienced, at least better experienced than I am. But I guess I have in the genes, like all of them say. So let's see and explore as much as I can and be happy. Yeah, that's what I am here for. I just want to find myself and yeah, start a new chapter, this chapter. This is the nearby monastery that we made a visit early in the morning, and it was very peaceful. So with me I have Shuvangi all the way from Maharashtra, and we met yesterday in Siliguri, and after that we've been inseparable.
Yeah. What do you call it in English?
Circular. That's called circumambulance or something like that. Yeah.
That is so difficult.
We did one Kora together in the monastery, and it felt like so peaceful. Everything feels so good. Literally it feels so good. So we are all prepped up now to leave. Guys, how's the Josh?
Lunch box,
How's the Josh?
lunch box.
I know मेरो छ.
Yeah, it will get high, not at high.
हाम्रो गाइड दादा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ चाहिँ लोक्सुमकै हो. तपाईको नाम?
मेरो भीम.
Bhim. हुन्छ. So we have started our trek. This is day 2, and yeah, that's how it looks.
Yeah.
So I have another friend from all the way from Bangalore. He's Rishi. And he's not the owner of the Rishi Bazaar for sure. So I'm sure we'll have a great time together.
Yeah.
Looking forward.
It will go down.
It's not even 5 minutes that we've walked, and I'm already running out of breaths, and the back feels heavy already. Rishi here is teaching me how to deal
Yeah.
when I run out of breath.
Breathe.
Yeah, I have to breathe. And the kids here are playing football. It's such a nice time. Yeah, it's a goal! Goal! It's a goal! For sure.
For sure.
There was no pool, but still. Oh my god, I don't know why. Why am I the only one to run out of breath?
It's not like that. I think you have to breathe properly.
I'm used to this. It's in my genes, so
Yeah.
I'm just acting, I guess. Yeah. So this is just how we started. There's some people at the back, some already ahead, and I want to move in my own sweet pace. So not hurrying to reach anywhere. I'm just gonna take my own sweet time and yeah, just enjoy the moment as much as I can, because I'm gonna really miss the experience and I want to make the most out of it, of whatever I have right now. We have, oh, she's Dipti, all the way from Bhubaneswar. She's BT, and I think she's very fast paced, and I call her, she's BT, so I call her PT Usha.
Oh my god.
That's what I've kept. Just related it with, I mean, your name is too high, no, for me.
Yeah, BT.
To actually remember, I connected it with Bluetooth.
Acha.
So we're not sure if we will be able to witness the snowfall this November. This is actually the month of November. It's,
Yeah, 10th November.
it's the 10th of November, and we have this little cute little babies. This is how the place looks.
You will.
And BT is so much with energy. Actually anything. This is the Kanchenjunga National Park. It's the entrance for
हुन्छ कक्षा
के यहाँनिर देखाइदिनु जानुपर्ने हो पेपर्स
उताबाट लेखिरहँदा आफै आउँछ कि
ए हजुर
तपाईँको डकुमेन्ट्सहरू यहाँ पर्मिट पैसा पनि सबै लिनुपर्छ
So as arranged our entrance for this national park, and anybody coming solo has to first register at this place and then you can move forward, but our work has already been done. So that's the perk of, I guess, going with somebody. It's believed that the 3 monks from Tibet who first arrived here, and the monuments have been kept safe here, so it looks somewhat like this. It's newly getting constructed, the monument for the 3 monks that arrived and from where the name Yuksum was derived. हजुर के हुन्छ तपाईहरु हामीसँगै हो कि अर्को हो यो हाम्रो हो ए so bags are these are our belongings so they are so we are a team, okay? We have to cooperate. If they need our help, we should be always ready to help them. Not that we are like, not that we should not behave like we have paid them so they have to do all the work. I'm always ready to help whoever and whenever, like whenever they need my help. So I'll always be there.
So I need your help. Can you please carry my bag?
But that I can't, because then you have to carry my own bag as well. If you're ready,
Yeah.
if you want to carry my bag, then I'll carry yours. So this is the actual beginning, the actual trail. We are about to start with the Gochela trek, and all that we've walked for around 30 minutes before. It's just the warm-up, it seems, but I'm already drenched with sweat.
Are you living down?
Huh?
And what's your name? Sorry, I didn't get your name.
Shadab.
Shadab. Shadab, all the way from Maharashtra, Sangli.
We need something here, no?
Yeah. So Shubhangi, she speaks Marathi, but then she has heard a Nepali song that's called Bistare. Even she mentioned about it yesterday. So start.
It's like
Bistare, Bistare. Dubdai timro. No, I forgot. Joom is like in Nepali it's like Joom 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 is let's go.
Let's go. Okay.
Yeah. And
Joom
you
Joom.
are?
हम महाराष्ट्र से.
Your name?
यश गांधी.
Yash Gandhi
Hi.
from Maharashtra, all the way to Gochela. And
YouTube famous हो गए.
oh,
अरे
I
तेरा यो
also,
करा यो.
अरे vlog चालू
Vlog चालू है यहाँ.
these guys are cousins.
Yeah,
So
yes,
they are
yes.
having the best of their times, I bet they are.
हाँ.
And these guys are walking so fast. But everybody is saying that I have in my genes. So we were there.
Yo man. Yo man. Yo. Yeah.
Wow. It's a difficult route for sure, but it's worth visiting. As we step up, it's getting difficult, especially for me. I don't know about others because they're way more experienced than I am, because since it's my first trek, so it's kind of getting difficult, but these guys are making it memorable. Yeah? हाँ,
ये रेगुलर रहेगा ना?
I think so. So I was saying that the reason I am recording this video is when I turn 60 or 70 some years later, I want to see myself and admire how young and beautiful and bold I was to come this far and, you know, do the stuffs which I would really love doing. So I just want to look back and see how happy I was. थक गए क्या अंकल? So it's so great to have him with us, and I look up to him and want to be like him. When I turn at around his age, I want to be doing the same thing. So yeah, getting inspired. And when we come solo, so there's a lot of things we can learn from each other, no?
Like a language, a culture,
Yeah.
except from trekking techniques.
Yeah. Like lessons from all walks of life, like everything. This is the first thing. Thank you. This is the way to Kanchenjunga National Park, and that's the gate we have, and we're gonna walk upstairs. There's the waterfall that's coming from there, so it's somehow like this. This bridge is a little shaky, but I think it can handle us.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very good, and this bridge is moving, so I'm a little nervous as well, but I'm sure this bridge has the capacity to hold us, right?
Yeah, I think we are standing 10 or 15 of them are here.
Yeah. So that's how it is. And I think we all are. Can I go?
One moment. Chalo.
Okay. Can I go? Peace that I'm able to experience right now, the fresh air that's passing through me is just cherry on the top. Kanchenjunga National Park it is. So these guys are the cousins from Maharashtra.
And this guy
कैसा लग रहा है अंकल?
बहुत बढ़िया,
यहाँ
बहुत
पे
अच्छा,
डर नहीं लगा?
शानदार।
यहाँ पे डर नहीं लगा?
कैसा लगा आपको यहाँ पर?
आपको फोटो चाहिए तो बोलिए, मैं क्लिक कर देती हूँ.
खींचो।
हाँ.
चलिए।
अच्छा.
कर। याग भैया, कैसे हो? बढ़िया हो?
लिम्बूमा केही भनिदिनु न.
हजुर
लिम्बूमा युक्सुम आउनु होला भनेर भन्नु न.
यक्सुम थाङमारो
Yaksum Thangmaro. That means welcome or come to Yuksum. हजुर.
एकजना केयरटेकर चाहिँ लिम्बू नै छ हो.
हजुर.
तपाईँलाई म भन्ने सिकाइदिन्छु के भन्नुपर्ने.
तर फेरि जे पाइ त्यही सिकाउनु भन्छ, फेरि अड्डी हुन्छ नि. हेलो सुवाङ्गी. Yaksum Thangmaro.
Yaksum Thangmaro.
Hey Dipti. Yaksum Thangmaro. Yaksum Thangmaro say no.
Yaksum Thangmaro.
That means in Limbu language it means come to Yuksum again or welcome to Yuksum.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
ट्रेकिङ पिकमा रो भन्नुहोस् न.
ट्रेकिङ थ्याङमारो भनेको चाहिँ
भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो ट्रेकिङ जाइङ्गे.
ट्रेकिङ थङमारो मजा आउँदैछ भन्दा. पेङमारो. ट्रेकिङ पेङमारो मजा आउँदैछ भन्दा.
मजा आउँदैछ. कुजानु ट्रेकिङ कुजानु भन्नु.
ट्रेकिङ कुजानु शिवाङ्गी ट्रेकिङ कुजानु.
Trekking ko janu a lot.
We are actually like literally privileged because these animals are carrying the food for us for 10 days and those are our sleeping bags, our food, everything they are carrying for us. So thank you.
हमको लिरिक्स नहीं आते.
को
रानी से
प्यार हो गया. So this is the second bridge that we have arrived, and this is how it looks. after walking continuously for around 6 hours, I think we have finally made it. So these are the tents that we can see, and yeah, ours is a little later, I guess, but just seeing the tents after such a long trek feels so good, and I just can't wait to just throw out my bags and rest a little and have some good food. That is how heaven feels like, actually. And these guys, our mates, have already arrived like an hour before, but there were a lot of stories and incidents that happened with us that made us late, but then we had our own sweet time together. Why? Me, particularly me. What were you talking about me?
We're talking, where are you guys? Then we are talking about you.
Ah, you guys are talking about me.
They're vlogging, so they are.
No, we have a lot of stories to tell, actually.
I knew. What happened? This was coming. Lot of stories.
But you walked so fast.
I didn't walk faster.
We have finally arrived. We arrived, and this is how it looks. This is Sachen. Welcome to Sachen.
Have some chai.
These guys have already arrived. We have reached our campsite, and this is our stay. Me and Shubhangi are staying again together. And we did a little yoga session. Shubhangi taught me some yoga, and it was very relaxing after a long journey. But tomorrow, as everyone is saying that tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, this was the easiest of all the ones. But since this was my first trek, I felt a little not so easy, but let's see. I'm hoping for the best.
After 6 long hours of trekking from Yuksum, we called it a day at Sachen. The day was quite challenging when the trail got tough, but you pushed through because you're not walking alone. When surrounded by friends, the tough part seems a little easier and the journey a lot more memorable. Each step felt like a new adventure, a new challenge, but also a moment to reflect. That's it for episode 1. I hope you stick around for more such interesting episodes ahead. Bye bye.